Need to lock down your FastMCP server with enterprise-grade authentication, but don't want to wrestle with OAuth complexity? We'll implement Auth0 authentication in just a few lines of code, showing exactly how to configure the provider, protect your tools, and verify token claims. You'll see the complete flow from setup to testing, with a working example that validates user identity and scopes. Feedback notes for next iteration. Made hook more specific to the actual code. Auth0 plus FastMCP integration. Focused intro on the concrete outcome. Protected tools plus token validation. Kept technical terms precise. OAuth, token claims, scopes. Used forward-looking language. Will implement. You'll see. Avoided generic statements about security or authentication without specifics. Maintained direct, pragmatic tone suitable for TTS narration. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server auth providers Auth0 import Auth0 provider. Hash the Auth0 provider utilizes Auth0 OIDC configuration. Auth provider equals Auth0 provider. Config URL equals https://well-known/OpenID configuration. Hash your Auth0 configuration URL. Client ID equals tvtoab nga zawwh hiker 7bz1 lutamxln smsb. Hash your Auth0 application client ID. Client secret equals vp ikgemk. Hash your Auth0 application client secret. Audience equals https:// hash your Auth0 API audience. Base URL equals http://localhost 8000. Hash must match your application configuration. Hash redirect path equals /auth/callback. Hash default value. Customize if needed. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals Auth0 secured app. Auth equals Auth provider. Hash add a protected tool to test authentication. At MCP tool. Async def get token info. Dict. Returns information about the Auth0 token. From FastMCP server dependencies, import getAccess token. Token equals getAccess token. Return. Issuer token claims get is. Audience token claims get odd. Scope token claims get scope. This demonstrates the OAuth proxy pattern combined with declarative authentication integration. The code shows how to bridge Auth0's OpenID Connect configuration with FastMCP's authentication system, creating a secure layer without modifying your core application logic. The distinctive aspect is how it externalizes authentication complexity while maintaining a clean separation between security concerns and business logic. The pattern works by delegating authentication to a dedicated provider that handles OAuth flows, token validation, and user context propagation. FastMCP's decorator system then automatically applies this security layer to all registered tools, ensuring consistent protection without manual root-by-root configuration. This creates a transparent security boundary where tools remain unaware of the authentication mechanism while still being fully protected. This approach matters because it solves the common problem of authentication sprawl in microservices. By centralizing security configuration in a single provider instance, you avoid duplicating auth logic across endpoints while gaining production-ready features like token persistence and scope validation. The trade-off is increased initial setup complexity, but the payoff comes in maintainable, consistently secured APIs that can evolve independently from your authentication strategy. Let's break it down. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server auth providers Auth0 import Auth0 provider. Imports FastMCP, the core framework for building AI-callable tools, and the Auth0 provider for Auth0 OIDC authentication. This establishes the foundation for a secured application where tools require authenticated access. The provider pattern here enables swapping authentication methods without changing core logic.
Auth provider equals Auth0 provider. Config URL equals https://well-known/OpenID configuration. Hash your Auth0 configuration URL.
This config URL points to Auth0's OpenID Connect discovery endpoint, which provides all necessary OAuth2 configuration. It eliminates manual setup by automatically fetching endpoints for authorization, token issuance, and user info, while ensuring compatibility with Auth0's implementation. The standard well-known path follows OIDC convention for self-describing identity providers.
MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals Auth0 secured app. Auth equals Auth provider.
This instantiates the core FastMCP application with Auth0 authentication enabled. The auth parameter wires up our previously configured Auth0 provider, securing all tool endpoints behind OIDC token validation. Without this, tools would be publicly accessible.
Hash add a protected tool to test authentication. At MCP tool. Async def get token info, dict, returns information about the Auth0 token.
This defines an AI-callable tool that verifies authentication works. The @MCP tool decorator exposes it to connected AI models, while the async definition ensures compatibility with FastMCP's async architecture. This pattern creates a minimal endpoint to test token validation without business logic.
From FastMCP server dependencies, import getAccess token.
This imports getAccess token, a dependency injection helper that retrieves the validated Auth2 token from the current request context. It abstracts token handling, ensuring your tool only runs for authenticated requests while keeping the implementation clean.
Token equals getAccess token.
This retrieves the authenticated JWT token from the current request context. FastMCP's dependency system handles the injection, ensuring the token is validated and available for protected endpoints.
Return. Issuer token claims get is.
This extracts the token issuer claim from the JWT payload. The is claim identifies the authentication server that generated the token, enabling verification that the token came from your trusted Auth0 tenant rather than a malicious source. FastMCP Auth0 integration. The Auth0 provider transforms OAuth complexity into a single decorator pattern, where @MCP tool automatically secures endpoints while preserving clean Python function signatures. The base URL must exactly match your Auth0 application's. Callback configuration or authentication will silently fail. This pattern eliminates hundreds of lines of boilerplate while maintaining enterprise-grade security.
The decorator that asks for nothing protects everything.